At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. From on a look on my screen, and you know what time it is, my people. So, the World Bank Group has approved a new 192 million US dollar project to support Jamaica in promoting private sector development and improving disaster preparedness. The project includes a special option which allows Jamaica to quickly access funds in the event of a disaster. My wisdom warriors, so on the year 192 million US dollar and Wellness get, yeah, to promote private sector. I want to listen good enough, my people, to promote private sector development, not public sector, private. When you hear private, that means money of his spend, nothing free for the Jamaican people. Money of his spend, all right? My wisdom warriors, the thing when I want to ask Andrew Wellness, how him say him now borrow no more money again from nobody? How him say him only go using taxpayer money? So what is this? How comes World Bank give you 192 million US dollar near to election? How comes when you gone to World Bank gonna ask for 192 million US dollar? Why is Andrew Wellness still allowed to handle with financial affairs? Why is Andrew Wellness allowed to handle our financial affairs? Me not understand this, and Jamaican people wanna just sit down like on a damn ass. Seriously, everybody just sitting down looking. Why is this man? Why is this man allowed to handle our financial affairs? I just can't understand. Why? This man break the law. He's a lawbreaker. This man is a liar. This man thief charity money. And yet, this man still have the authority to handle our financial affairs. Mighty God. What Jamaica gone to? Where Jamaica gone to? Jamaica gone to the gutters. Jamaica really gone to the gutters. You see, when me see a lot of people coming out, remember, Andrew Wellness come out and tell we say him now borrow no more money, for much years, Remember, see him come out and say that, Remember good, And when me come, I remind uno vex about it. Uno no want to hear. So Jamaican people, uno really alright with Andrew Wellness with 192 million US dollars? For do what? For do what? Because Andrew Wellness do pure private this and private that. That's all he's doing. Pure private. When more than half of the Jamaican people can't even go in that the ends there, much less figure the front door. It just don't make no sense. It just not worth it. It just not worth it. This man I put we in a more debt, and Jamaican people feel to see that. This man I put we in a more debt. Andrew Wellness is not good somebody, Remember, say Andrew Wellness come out, and say I go sue the state, Andrew Wellness come out and say I sue the government, Remember good, And this is the man when I run down. It is sad, It is sad. But you can't stay. You see how much time we come out and I want, My wisdom warriors, I talk about the community Coban system where Andrew Wellness gone all the way over Brazil I look help. Yeah? Them are going to have some little stations set up in each area. Yeah, them say the community Coban system is to help get rid of corruption. It's to help fight corruption. Corruption where Andrew Wellness want to stay in Jamaica. Andrew Wellness don't want to fight corruption. If Andrew Wellness didn't want to fight corruption, he would not try to get rid of the IC. He wouldn't. You understand what I try to show you? So when I say Andrew Wellness gone over Brazil now, Brazil, we have the highest crime rate. Andrew Wellness gone look help from them. If you can't teach the Jamaican police for do. For really do. Let me ask. And my wisdom warriors, me come out and me I show them what I go on. The labor right then say me a liar. Me fi stop tell lie. No go so. The government would never go to Brazil. Let me show you. Me say. Me did Africa show you this morning. No sir. This not right. When me tell you, sir, them dons, you know. Them past dons. Nothing can get through them. All when they see the evidence, them see a lie. Take a look at this. See them people, it said the Commissioner of Police, Dr. Kevin Blake, in collaboration with the Ministry of National Security, signed a trilateral agreement with Japan and Brazil on the community Koban system today, February 24. This agreement aims to exchange community policing best practices and share innovative ideas to enhance public safety and community engagement. Today's exercise is a continuation of the initiative as members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force participated in the program in Brazil in March 2024. You hear that? And when me say that, you know, even if you don't go up on the site, JCF put it out. JCF put it out. Anyway, my people, let me continue. The community command system was originally conceptualized in Japan and later adopted by Brazil, where it has demonstrated significant success in law enforcement. All right, take a look at this now. This person named Stephen Cleveland, 45, replied to my comment because I said to them, say, Andrew Owenless gonna get help from Brazil. He said, why would the arm go Brazil for help when we have seen a 20% reduction in murder last year and 47% over the last 2 years? We are on track to go under 1,000 first since 1994. This is a labor right. This is a labor right. I said to me, say, why would the government go to Brazil for help when we have seen a 20% reduction in murder last year? This is all a lie. Andrew Owenless a trick them. I'm going to blame this person, you know, if he ask this question. Because Andrew Owenless trick them. You understand? Make them believe the crime are reduced. But guess what? The people them where they on the ground know the crime now reduce. The people them they on the ground know the crime now reduce. So when me I tell them about Brazil, they must say to me, say, why would the government go to Brazil for help? You understand me? But my wisdom warriors, it get worse. Look at this one. So this person named Kashane Brown say, liar, when PNP will stop spread misinformation. That them say, you know. I don't know. Me put out the information, you know, my people. JCF put it out. It's on their website. It's on them page. Them post it on them page. Me I'll show you the video. The video is out. Me go under nationwide. I say nationwide. Why you not sure? So the police gone to Brazil for help. And that me say, you know, why them not go and show that? Them not show these things. So when me know right and I make people them know, say, Andrew Owenless gone to Brazil for help. Over Brazil where then crime rate is sky high. Pure abuse, pure rape, not for the police them a do up to today dear. Why would Andrew Owenless go this of help? It just don't make no sense to me. My wisdom warriors, this person make me know say liar. When PNP will stop spread misinformation, liar movement, the Prime Minister is in Jamaica. All what PNP do walk and tell lie. It will not stop the government from winning election because you guys fail to do. Move with your lies to mislead people about government Ghana, Brazil. A content you are look. This is a content. Chrissy, you hear this, Chrissy? Chrissy, you hear this here? Them see a content me a look. Hey, me can't stop laughing. No. Pity them, no. Poor soul, them. Poor soul. We are trying to save them sorry ass and them out here kusui. Them fool. Jesus God. Mighty God. Me can't stop laugh. But you know why? Me did have to come show on this. And you know what me do? Me screenshot it and me send the video to this person personally. Me send it to their message, make them see. So they don't get back to me or nothing. They don't get back to me. They know some me I tell the truth. You understand? They know some me I tell the truth. But when them are going to say to me, say me I mislead the people about government Ghana, Brazil, and I content me a look. You can't imagine that? You can't imagine? And the superintendent from the JCF came out and said out and own a more Jamaica. You hear it? I'm going to play it again. Me go play it again. When me see this person write like this, me have to say, oh my God. It bad, you know? It bad. So, he say, you guys have to tell lie for views. Low and desperate. Move. Excuse liar. PNP will never win no election. You see? Just because this person is not a leader. This person is just a follower. They not do research. They are not a leader. You understand? They just come out and talk and make themselves look stupid. All Brazil people now are read all this now. They just laugh at them and say, could you idiot them? Could you idiot them? You know what I mean? He continue and he say, you guys are desperate for power. All the lies you guys are walking and tell will not help the PNP. You think Jamaican people are idiots? Me can't stop laughing, people. Excuse you, lie yourself from here. So stop telling lies. Oh God, I really pity this person. I really pity this person because this person no use their common sense. And say, all right, she talk about the JCF. Let me go over the JCF go see what go on. You know, they no use their common sense. They don't do research. They don't do research, and the JCF now hide it, so they ain't got Brazil. They have it on them page all over, big and bold. They are so proud of themselves. They're very, very proud. So when I see Labour right like this come out, them look stupid. And all because they are lack of knowledge. All because of that. And see when he come out strong for me, I tell me say a lie. And suppose me for sue him now. Suppose me for sue him now. I said to me, say, me I tell lie. When me have the evidence, me have the proof. Some of them like for talk. You know what I mean? Them like for talk and they don't know said them is an embarrassment and a disgrace to the Jamaican people. But it is a reason why me showing you know my wisdom warriors. Me want to see. Me want to see. Even when the evidence is there, them see a lie. And what nationwide not doing, they not show these things. Because nationwide know, you know. So if they come out and show that, you know, problem, you know. Them know say the blogger them are going to run with it. And they don't want the blogger them run with it and talk nothing about Brazil and wellness. But it is really sad. It is really sad, my people. Listen this.
Hello everyone. My name is Rafael Rego and I am a captain in the military police of São Paulo state in Brazil. And I had been through a training together with my friends from Jamaica, constabulary force, and we had been through a training in Brazil in the last year that took 15 days. And nowadays I'm here along with the police officers from JCF, and I'm having a great experience here, learning from all of you about community policing and having a very interesting experience here and seeing that all of our efforts back then in Brazil was amazingly understood here and very, very well applied. So I'm very happy to be here and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.
My name is Courtney Coley. I am a Deputy Superintendent of Police assigned to the Community Safety and Security Branch. Today, we are here to discuss training, capacity building around community-based policing. There is a trilateral agreement between Japan, Brazil, and Jamaica around sharing of knowledge, particularly around the Koban style of policing that originated in Japan. It was adopted by Brazil and tailored to satisfy their environment and the nature of their policing effort. Today's meeting was to further share ideas, to inform the technical mission from Brazil as to how they can further develop content and develop the curriculum for the next training, which is slated for September of this year.
So my wisdom warriors, there's the proof. There's the proof, but poor soul them. Poor soul them. They don't do research. Me always tell you, say the labor right them, they just full of mouth. They just chat. They not do research. They not have no knowledge, no understanding, no wisdom. They don't know what is happening. They just a chat because they see everybody a chat. Them a wagonists, the labor right them. Them a wagonists. I fool them. Fool them. Them just out here embarrass the Jamaican people all the time. I'm going to explain to you how the community Koban system works in Brazil because the information is here. In Brazil, the community Koban system, inspired by the Japanese model, aims to foster community policing through small, localized police stations that prioritize accessibility and interaction with residents, focusing on crime prevention and rapid response. Wanna hear that, my people? Here's a more detailed breakdown. It said inspired by Japan, the Brazilian community policing model, particularly in Sao Paulo, draws inspiration from the Japanese Koban system, which emphasizes community-based law enforcement through small, localized police stations. Accessibility and proximity. Koban are designed to be easily accessible to residents, often located near busy areas like metro station, banks, and entertainment venues. So my wisdom warriors, there you go. I did just want to have a little bit of understanding about this Koban system. Remember, say in a Jamaica, every parish have a police station. Yeah, every parish. But when you talk about community Koban system now, that means that in every community now, them are going to put like a little station. Yeah, because of that them do in Brazil. And all them do that, crime rate still high. Them come like a Andrew Wellness. They know different from Andrew Wellness. Every day they talk about crime are reduced, but it's still high. It just don't make no sense. And if you go do your own research, it will tell you. It will tell you. You understand me? So, me just gobsmack how Andrew Wellness gone over Brazil. Like, I don't get it. Why you going there? To do what? To do what? To do what? Like, seriously, this is not right, Jamaica. This is not right. But, una have to get ready, Una have to get ready. You see how Andrew Wellness telling people them about judge and make and shoot to kill and all these type of nonsense. Get ready. For when the police in our community, at that time, them are go up personal. That time, them are go up personal. But una must know, because the reason why Andrew Wellness come up with this, actually Jamaica go turn republic. It's because Jamaica go turn republic. So now, him feel like Jamaican people are going to be very rebellious. You understand? Revolution are going to start and all these things. That's why I say I do all of this. But my wisdom warriors, want to tell me what you think and tell me how you really feel about it, because I'm not happy with this. Because we all hear about Brazil. If you not go read about Brazil, like, listen, like, seriously, I know not no good. I know not no good. So when I see a government go to Brazil, if you look help, it's just nonsense to me. It's just nonsense. Like, seriously, you say you don't have crime under control. So how you reach over there? And that the crime plan to get Brazil police them for coming to Jamaica and go to the community. And you know what? You know what? You really not have nothing to do. You really not have nothing to do. The healthcare system needs CT scan, ventilators and all these things. But you're out here spending over 10 billion a year on JCF. And the only crime plan you can come up with is go to Brazil for help. And you tell the people them say how crime is done. So if crime is done, how you reach over Brazil? How you reach over Brazil? My wisdom warriors, me not happy about it, and I would like other bloggers to talk about it just for hear what them think about it. You understand? Because seriously, this not look good for Jamaica. This not look good. Brazil can't even control for them crime rate. Brazil can't control them crime rate. Even them police them over there and rape off Lily Pitney up to today there. So why would you pick up yourself and go to a country where even worse than your one for help? And then you talk about you like Jamaican people and you want to say you care about Jamaica. To lie, man. And terrible. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this.
Jamaican people, Rwanda made it. And one of the reasons why I love Rwanda, because I can go around, ride around. You see the motorbike when I take right now, the motor taxi, it cost me about $1.50 US. They bring me for about a 10-minute ride to the next location. $1.50. Now this country has been through a genocide. 1994. About 1 million people get KILLED. Now, this country with a GDP of each in Rwandan is $1,000 US. Jamaican GDP is 6,800. Yet, this country is safer, cleaner, and is more organized than Jamaica. So the people in where I say, boy, I'm money the people in need. I joke in them talk about because this country is poor, but yet it is safer, much more organized, no pothole, no stagnant water, no smelly things. So me are right, you can see the police right at the corner here. So. Based on the Global Transfer Index, Rwanda is 57, Jamaica is 44 for so many years. Rwandan FDI, foreign direct investment, last year was $289 million US. Jamaica was $16.5 billion. Yet Jamaica's economy has had a 0.7 growth for the past 10 years. Rwanda has a 6.3% growth for the past 10 years. So people, with that kind of growth rate and with that kind of opportunity, when me would I want to say, boy, I want to go a yard for, when me know say, me have a safe life down here. Jamaican murder rate is 52.1 per 100,000. One of the highest in the world. I mean, I keep it real with the people. One of the highest in the world. Now, Rwandan murder rate is 3.59 per 100,000. 3.59. So how come a country that is poorer have a lower crime rate than the country that is richer? Jamaica population is 2.8 million people, and we are like about 1,140 murders. Some years go higher than that every year. Rwanda's murder rate is way lower. So people, like I said, we not burn out yard. But at my age now, people, when me work hard, now, I want to be in an environment can enjoy the fruits of my labor. So they don't burn me out and say, boy, I burn out Jamaica. I not burn out. But that's I use wisdom. As the good book says, wisdom is supreme. And in all thy ways get understanding. Do not look yourself. No pothole, no stagnant water, no plastic, no garbage, no nothing. And I can sleep with my doors open. Yeah, so the thing said. And it cost me about $20 for the entire month with my phone bill, and that include data. You see? That's what the thing said. So people, when I burn out yard again, but jam cannot use wisdom. You see me? It all boils down to leadership. A leadership, man.
My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about that. Tell me how you feel about it. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self.
Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enumerated. Now, imagine looking around your constituency, your community, and identifying things that you want changed, but you don't have a say in making those changes. If you get registered to vote today or before March 31st, you'll become eligible to vote by May 31st. So I want to implore you to get on the voters list, get registered so that you can have a meaningful say in the changes that are